Alright guys, so we are about to head on to a Carmeet. I got a few buddies over here with me. We got my boy Tyler, my boy Jose, my boy Jordy, and Oswaldo, and my boy Emmanuel up in here. To head to a meet where it's like kind of a takeover, so we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna be swinging my Mustang for sure, man. Y'all never seen me swing my Mustang for sure? Wait till y'all see me swing this bad boy. Alright guys, as you can see, we just made it to the meet. And we got a couple of people trying to spin it. We got a whole wide range here. As you can see, we got a whole bunch of tire marks here all the way already around. This guy is going wild over here in the back. Sooner or later, I'm gonna get wild. Let's see. Is he gonna spin it? Okay. Some slight. Oh shit, watch out, mister. Damn, this guy is wild. He's spinning that shit. Oh, stop. Damn. All right, y'all, I gotta sauce it up a little minute here. I'm gonna get my brother the camera so I'll sauce it up. You ain't beating me in there. Hey, that was saucy, y'all. Y'all had to give me some credit. I got a little bit wide right there. I like to get wide a little bit. Fucking back tires are gonna be roasted in a minute, man. We gotta get some 305s soon. This guy ain't going nowhere with his shit. What the fuck was that? It's like your car, bro. Ooh, got him. Got a BMW about to spin it. Maybe. Oh, no. Alright guys, so we are pulling up to Takeover. It is a truck sideways takeover. We're out here tonight. There is absolutely a freaking ton of trucks out here. I've never seen this many trucks in the west suburban area ever. Spot got popped. We're about to head to a second spot. They're gonna get sideways already. I already seen on someone's snaps and everything that they got sideways. So a whole bunch of trucks all around here, but we're trying to get out, go to the next spot. I'll keep you guys updated and see what your next spot. Alright guys, as you can see, we are pulling up to the second location. We got a decent amount of people right here right now. It is a truck meet. Like I said from before, a hell of a lot of trucks out here. I'm not sure if they're gonna chill at this spot or go get crazy at this spot, but we're gonna see. These guys were getting crazy at the last spot for sure. No, but this guy actually has the same hood as me. That is pretty crazy. I've never seen anyone who had the same hood as me. He has a pretty unique color 5.0 right there, so we're gonna go check those out. I'm gonna check those out and see what's going on with these guys right here. And mind if I record?
Oh no, you can go ahead.
For sure. What kind of, you got a GT 500? No, what kind of wing is this?
That's the MMD.
Oh, MMD, carbon fiber wing.
Yeah.
What color is the car?
It's black, but I wrapped it, it's called Black Rose.
Oh, okay. You guys probably can't see on the camera because it's dark out, but
yeah.
He said his car was black, but he wrapped it Black Rose. That's why I never seen a car like this color, ever. And then going on to the front, we got the Cervini Type 4 Ram air hood, same as mine. His is carbon fiber, which is absolutely amazing. Man, look at that thing. God dang. MMD?
I think, or the first one, yeah.
MMD 2 something, yeah, something like that. I think I'm interested in getting that one as well. How much is that?
That one, it's I bought it for like 300 something, but you can get the same one on eBay for like around
150, 60, yeah, for sure. eBay, even probably offer up, I don't know, some of those websites, they got them for cheaper. But he's got the MMD, you know, front splitter right there, the Cervini hood. This thing is freaking clean, man. Looking mean. Just imagine just me. I gotta get this front splitter on my car, and we gonna get going. What wheels you got here?
They're the ESR SR07.
ESR 07. I don't know what type of wheels those are, guys, but maybe you guys might know, but you guys might fuck with them. But these are nice. Alloy or aluminum?
Yeah.
Aluminum wheels. Aluminum wheels. Aluminum wheels with the red Brembo brake calipers. That's what I'm gonna get eventually. I'm gonna put mine's red. But yeah, hella clean. Anything done under the engine?
It's full bolt-on.
Full bolt-on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jet, intake manifold.
Full bolt-on Jet manifold. So probably pushing like what, 460, 470 around there?
420 because it's
420? Oh, it's automatic?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, shit, I would never even imagine this being automatic.
Yeah.
Damn, okay.
It's on the 85 too.
Oh, on E85. So, damn, this thing's nice. A lot of shit going on around here. I don't know. Alright, bet. Alright, guys. We got, excuse me, right behind you. Oh, shit. And we got burnouts all over the place. Yeah. Got some burnouts going on out here. This dude smoked his whole back bed out of here. We got another truck in front of him doing a burnout. Other cars over there. It seems like the cops has left, so we might got some freedom to do something around here now. Hey man, I gotta say, this truck is fucking clean, bro. This red, cherry red right here is killing the game. Favorite color of any cars. Then he got the chrome wheels. Damn. This guy just did a fat ass burnout and I just missed it, bro. Damn. God damn. Damn. He getting sideways with it. Yo, I'm about to go get my car and get sideways, I think, man. Did he just hit somebody? What happened? Got a fire underneath? Oh shit! This car's on fire underneath here. Oh damn! I wonder what the hell's going on. It got a little bit too much heated under there. Come on! Oh my gosh! We got everybody surrounding this guy's car. He's pouring water in his engine bay right now to cool that shit down. He probably done fuck some shit up, man. I don't know what the fuck going on. Damn. God damn. Hey, he killed it though a little bit. He didn't kill it, but he killed it. He literally killed it. Alright, it looks like we got two cops. They're chilling over there. There's nothing about to be going down over here. We got people leaving. I don't know where they're going. Maybe I'll find out if they're going somewhere. Try to follow them, get some more action for tonight. Catch you in the next clip. Going wild over here. The cops are over here, right? Let me back up. Yo, I thought the cops were here. I guess not. They must have left. Yeah. Alright, guys. Well, I left the other spot. I pulled up at the infamous Strats that is always packed. We're gonna go ahead and make a lap around. I don't think there's any more moves for tonight. This is the last move that we can always go to. So, go check it out. Alright, to the GoPro off the head, but guys out, we're just gonna make a lap around, a little bit of something.
You're supposed to stick that on the car.
I know. Said you're supposed to stick that on the car. Actually, for that is right there, but I didn't think about it until later tonight. Got some challenges. The Mustang. Somebody just called my name. I don't know I think I'm gonna call it a night though, guys. Not really too much going on, but I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you guys give a like to the channel. Make sure you give a subscribe. And camera's coming for sure. Mods, we got appointments and everything for the car, so stay in tune, man. But I'm about to be out of here. I'm gonna call it a night. Not too much going on. We gone.